guys, I'm just so tired. Oh, so this is my front entrance. Also, ignore the way I look because I'm moving, so who cares? Come on in.
Hi guys, so I am back in my favorite spot for filming. I love this spot. I'm going to miss this spot. But I have some exciting news. I'm actually really excited for it. So please all be excited because I am. But I am moving. So as you all know, as soon as I turned 18, I moved into this apartment here. It is located, I can tell you guys where it is because I'll be gone when you guys come here and find me. But it is in Skyview, Calgary, Alberta. So it is if you live in Calgary, you already know that Skyview is the worst spot to live. Because first, Mother Nature hates you. We get hailed on, we get tornadoes, we just get everything, and it's a hatred place. We don't like it here. But it's also super far away from everything. So it is on the outside of the city. So I have to take Saddletown if I want to go downtown. It takes me an hour. So that is one of the reasons I am moving. Well, technically it's two reasons I'm moving, because Mother Nature hates Skyview and also it's far from everything. So yeah, I wanted to move to be closer to my school and my work. And I work and go to school downtown. So that's the reason I am moving downtown. Yes, I am moving downtown, guys. I'm super excited. I move tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. I am very, very nervous. I feel like I have been waiting for this day. I wasn't sure if I was even going to move. I didn't even decide I was moving until a month ago. And then now that it's official, I'm nervous. I'm going to miss this apartment because it's an awesome apartment. It's beautiful. I would stay here. It's not that I can't afford to live here. My actual new apartment is more expensive than this place. It's just that it's too far from everything. I don't drive, I take transit, and I already hate transit as is because I always get harassed. Go check out my Getting Attacked on Calgary Transit video if you haven't seen it already, because that one was crazy. But yeah, so I am heading downtown to live. I'm really excited. So yeah, this is going to be my moving series coming up, and I'm excited. So that's all I wanted to quickly step in here and say, oh my gosh, this lighting is horrible. My camera keeps going into focus and then not going into focus. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye. So she's not wearing a mask on transit because she forgot it, but shh, don't tell anyone. But we ordered Denny's for breakfast this morning, and then we moved tomorrow at 8 a.m. and guess what? I still procrastinated and haven't done anything. And now we're on the way to get food, so stay tuned to see what food we get. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I procrastinated. I went and got dinner at BP's. Very good. It is later at night. The sun is setting. That's my apartment building. I'll be gone by the time you see this, so I don't really care. Lighting is horrible. This is a good angle, but once I start walking around, it's gonna be horrible. But oh my god, I'm just gonna show you guys what my apartment looks like right now. I'm moving in less than 8 hours, literally 7 hours. No, not 8, 12 hours. So 11 hours from now, I'll be moving. 8 a.m. bright and early. So let's see what my apartment looks like. Guys, this is what my room looks like. That's crazy. I have my suitcase ready to deal with anything here. And then I have my one box here that I'm packing extra crap in. And then I took the doors off my closet and I have to somehow put them back on, but my closet's empty. And my bathroom is as well empty. I just have my shower stuff because I'm gonna have a shower, but very empty, very, very empty. Oh my god, wait till you guys see the other part of my house because it's a mess, but it's we're moving, right? So my living room is a mess right now because we've just been chilling. I have my box right there, my box spring for my bed, and this is all our crap that has to be moved. It looks horrible because we didn't organize it well because we've just been in a rush. And My kitchen is again a huge disgusting mess. And then my laundry room, we're just doing so much laundry. My roommate's over there in her room doing stuff. And the guest bathroom's empty. But this is what my apartment's looking like right at this moment. So yeah. So I am going to just finish up packing and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm gonna try to get some filming of the actual moving process. But if I don't get any, it's because we're moving and we don't have time because we're on a bit of a schedule. So hopefully I get some. If I don't, then oh well, you guys will see my new apartment. I'm gonna try to do an empty little, my old apartment tour to give you guys what it looked like because I never showed you guys what it looked like. So yeah, I am gonna go do that and yeah, good night. See you guys tomorrow. So this is my front entrance. Also ignore the way I look because I'm moving, so who cares? Come on in. So immediately to the left is my living room. It's actually pretty big. It's a big difference from like the apartment I'm in right now, but it's fine. And then to the left over here is my dining room in my balcony. I would get close and show you guys, but I don't want to be murdered, so. But over here is my kitchen.
With all my information there for this guy.
It's pretty cute. I'm gonna put like my chairs right there. And yeah, and if you come back over here is my hallway. I've never had a hallway. We have storage. The lighting's really bad. Really bad. But like we have a storage room there. And over here I'm gonna make this into my office. I know it's not meant for that, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And this is the guest bedroom. Don't really need detailed about that one. My bathroom, which is, yes, a lot smaller.
I'm not very happy about it, but it's fine.
And then my room, which is, again, smaller, but it's okay. I have my own balcony. And what my favorite part is, shitty lighting, literally. It takes like 3 seconds to turn on. But I have my own walk-in closet. Sorry for the quick little skim through because I need to get the moving stuff up here, so it was really quick. But this is like a quick little run through, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Oh, I'm so tired. It is 6:50 p.m. It's later in the day now. I really haven't really gotten much together. I am exhausted. I've had no sleep. I'm so tired. And I haven't really been vlogging much, but I have so much to do. Like my kitchen, you can kind of see it. It is just a huge mess. I just had a shower because I was literally covered in so much like disgust that it was like just absolutely nasty. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'll give you guys a little show around, show you guys what I've done so far, but it's not a lot. I think I'm gonna call it a night for the day and work on it tomorrow, and then I'll get some vlogging from that. So I'm just hoping that I get this vlog done because I really want to post it. So yeah, let's show you guys what I got so far. So I literally got the table set up and the vacuum, not the vacuum, the carpet, but it needs vacuum, what I was going to say. My couch is set up, coffee table set up, and my TV stand is put together. Again, lighting is horrible. It's getting like late and I'm just literally too lazy to set everything up for lighting. But my kitchen, it is not put together like whatsoever. Oh my gosh, this content is going to be so blurry and not the best, but I literally got some basic things in. I'm like just shoving things where they need to go, but it is a huge mess. I have my bar stools there. Let's just head over down my hallway. My room is looking like this. And my closet is coming together slowly but surely. Again, this lighting is so bad. Guys, I'm just so tired. I really hope that I scavenge something from this like content that I've been videoing and can make some sort of vlog with it. So please, I'm so sorry for this like vlog content. It's not the best. It's just, sorry, I'm like holding like the camera like this, so my hand was in it. I'm just tired, so give me like a little like pass for today. But yeah, I'm literally, my thoughts are all over the world right now, like it's everywhere. I'm going to like lie down because I have like a massive headache. I have no food here. I have to go grocery shopping. My fridge is empty, my freezer's empty, and I ordered food earlier, but like it wasn't like, I don't know, I just, for some reason, I still have a headache. I still feel starving. And like, I'm serious when I say this. I literally only ate one thing today, and I've been trying to drink a lot of water, and I just need sleep and I need food. So I think I'm gonna order food again, and I think I'm gonna like go drink some more water, and then I'm gonna like lay down.